Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This version 12GB memory and 512GB internal memory. In complementation we have only cable Type-C to Type-C, very poor complementation. All Samsungs. Okay, and device in the green color, quad camera on the back side, on this side power button and volume buttons. Downside Type-C port, speaker, S-Pen and slot for 2 nano SIM card. Upside without controls and this side without controls. Okay, 6.8-inch display. Turn on device. Okay. S-Pen, we can take a picture on S-Pen, take a video or take a picture. And of course, one moment, we can write on. Okay. Close this and open settings. We have one UI 6.1 Android 14 and we have all AI functions, circle to search and others on this device, like Galaxy S24 Ultra. Open Geekbench 6. We have results, single core score, multi-core score, very good results. On GPU test results, okay. Look onto the benchmark, 500,000. Okay. My device, we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU model and renderer Adreno 730. Okay. In the ranking we have 41 place. In global ranking, Galaxy S24 Ultra have 22 place. Okay, PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level. Settings, graphics, max graphic level, HDR or Ultra HDR and extreme frame rate. Close this. Open camera and I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.